Ideally, when trying to accomplish the mitered look, I'm looking for a stone of decent thickness and pretty uniform texture. I'm going to be taking two opposing beveled cuts out of the same stone for the best match. Without having to use my tape measure, I know that I can use my mark to accomplish a 4-inch leg length on this stone. The zero clearance fence here allows me to see where the blade is going to enter the stone. I'm going to use a 2-part fast setting CA glue towards the back of that cut to bond this miter tight. So we've made a bunch of our miters and now it's time to put a few up. You can see here we have a couple of high points and some blemishes, something we'd like to soften and burnish the edge. I can use some sandpaper. I could use the edge of a screwdriver. I could even use a file to knock down some of those high points, and a clear wax-based sealer in a spray can touches that area up really nice.